welcome to my home. So you come in from the front door, we have this small entryway here. We did decorate this part here with this nice canvas. We love this. It says family means you will love and be loved for the rest of your life, no matter what. I love this quote. We both fell in love with this. And we decided to put this here. Here we have these little hooks over here. They're hooks of little dog's tail. We just hang our keys on there. And my girlfriend has her little bag here. And we have our dog's leash on here. So I think it's just very convenient right there. As you come through the entryway, we have two doors here. This one does lead to the garage. This door here. And this is just pretty much a storage with a bunch of stuff on there, which I will be closing really quickly because it's not really needed. But what we love about this place is just that there's a lot of storage, so we can just pretty much put our stuff in there. But let's continue on this way. When we come into this place, this is our open floor kitchen, which we both really love. It's just really spacious, really big. No, this is creaky. What happened? This is one of our very favorite wall decor. It's called Love Rules, and you can probably read it yourself because there's a lot. But we try to follow through with this, especially being in a relationship as long as ours. I feel like it's just a good reminder for us. And then we come back here to another storage, which we love. Also has a bunch of stuff in there, vacuum, yoga mats, a lot of different stuff in here. And then we have another door here, which leads to the pantry. It's really big. It's a walk-in pantry, which we love. I'm gonna say we love a lot of the times here. But we have a lot of snacks here. We have a lot of ramen here. So we have a lot of ramen, and then we have just a bunch of stuff. Our Asian spices, and what would you call this? And then we have some ravioli stuff here. These are our workout protein shakes. And then this is Pooh stuff. So if you guys don't know who Pooh is, which you guys should know, he is our Maltipoo dog. But yes, we have all of his stuff here. We got a bunch of treats for him. Yeah, treats. I said treats. Yeah. So we just pretty much stock up on a lot of stuff here. And we just put them in here. So that's our pantry. Come on, buddy. Alright, next we have the refrigerator. We decorated with all these magnets. We make it a habit to get a magnet everywhere we travel. Just a variety of different things in here, as you can see. And then the top part as well, we have a bunch of ice cream up there. And then we have cereal up here because we are cereal lovers. We are an Asian household, so we eat rice. This is our little rice cooker. We have a rice container. Then we have these cabinets down here, which I think are so nice because it just gives us so much storage just to put stuff in. So like, we just love that. This is our oven, our microwave, and our cabinets. And we pretty much decorated this to fit the theme of fall. So we have this orange and this tan towel to decorate our kitchen. And then yeah, this is just our kitchen. But what I really love about this kitchen is these two lights right here. They are super cute. I just think they're a really nice touch to this kitchen. And I just love that it's just so bright here because I feel like this place does not have windows. So all these lights are just so necessary. This part right here, I love this so much. So we got these two little drawer storage, I guess, from IKEA, and I just love it so much. I love this metal cabinet here. We just put a lot of different things in here. I just feel like it's just a lot of space and storage. And then we did decorate this part up here. We just put a bunch of pictures, ledges. It just pretty much speaks for itself. Oh, this one right here. My girlfriend specifically did this part right here. It's just really, oh no, it's uneven. It just fits the theme of fall. She did so well. It's so cute. I love it. Next to this spot is the guest room. As you enter into the guest room, it is very empty. Not a lot of things in here. We of course have the bed. I personally made this bed a little bit more girly, and Pooh, he He loves to make every bed his own. I personally made this room a little bit more girly with some pinks in here. You know, a lot of our guests are going to be females. I love this little decal that I got here. Then we bought this drawer from IKEA, and I think it's just so useful for our guests to just put their clothes in here when they come visit. So they don't have to just take their clothes out of their suitcase. I mean, it's just so much more convenient for them. And I love this painting right here. I love this color splash design. Life is beautiful. I just love it. This cute lamp from IKEA. I love the ambiance that this light creates. It's so cute. It can definitely be used as like a night light. So if any of our guests feels like, you know, scared of the dark, they can leave this light on. I think it's super cute. And then on this little wall here, we have posters from Paris. And these are actually from Paris. This came from our former manager. She went to Paris and got us these little posters, which I love. So they're super cute. I think they add a nice touch to this, especially since the bed itself has like this little Paris design. The blankets are just so cute. It's like Paris inspired and everything. And then here we have, it's just a closet, so our guests can store stuff in here. We do have extra blankets and everything up there. If, you know, they do feel cold and want another set of blanket. We have this decor right here. As you can see, it's kind of uneven, and I think we kind of gave up on this, but we did try our best, so I think for now we're just gonna leave it as it is. Come on, buddy. Alright, going into the living room. Oh, I cannot forget this piece right here. This is just a nice, cute spot that we designed. I love this right here, you and me. So it's just pictures of me and my girlfriend. And then all of these pretty much just represents us, I think. So it's really nice. I love it. I love this little succulent over here. No, it's not gonna fall. This next door here, we have the bathroom. This is the guest bathroom. So I feel like we made it really universal. We did have like a gray, white theme going on here. It's also our laundry room. So we do have a laundry on this side here. We have baskets, and these cabinets up here are so nice. Just a nice touch to this. Just gives us more space to put like detergent and all of that. So we bought this specifically from Kohl's. They smell so good. These aren't like scented fillers. And I feel like it just makes the bathroom smell so nice. So we have this on here. Then we have this little tiny succulent plant on this side here. Just other bathroom necessities. So yeah, I think it just adds a very nice touch to this bathroom. We have two bar stools on here. We don't have a dining table as of right now. Actually, I'm not even sure if we're really gonna leave this here. This is just temporary for now, but it's just a nice little ladder design. We just have pictures, plants, just a little decoration right here. And then on here is, of course, our couch and this beautiful City Lights canvas picture that we got from IKEA. We love this so much. My girlfriend and I are city girls as well. We love the city, so we do try to incorporate this into our place. And this is our couch right here from IKEA. A lot of the stuff that we got are from IKEA, so yeah, so we just have this couch right here. It's really comfortable. We love this spot the most. We have this pillow right here, it's love. It has this little paw right here. It's just so cute. And this is my Victoria's Secret blanket that we use when we watch movies and just our shows. This little massager we use when we are having like backaches. So we just leave this here. This is our coffee table. We have nothing on it as of right now, but sometimes we do use this to eat when we're watching TV, watching our shows. It's just really convenient and really useful being here. Here we have this bookshelf that we got from Walmart. I just pretty much designed it with a bunch of pictures and just different things, as you can see on here. I just love decorating and just putting a lot of decorations together. So this is what we got. We got a bunch of books and stuff on here as well. This little panda bear, I'm not really sure where to put this bear right now because we did receive this from a stranger, a complete stranger, when we went to State Fair. So yeah, he just pretty much gave this to us because he got like a bunch of other stuffed toys as well. For now, it's just gonna be there. And then we're moving on to this next area here, which I love. Our TV, of course, is mounted on top here. And then this entertainment center. We got this from IKEA. I love this because it just gives us so much storage. And I just love all this storage because we get to hide a lot of our stuff down here, of course, and we get to just cover it. This is my girlfriend's PS4. We have a bunch of her VR stuff, and then of course on the side here as well, just stores a bunch of different things, her games. We got this speaker right here, which is really necessary when we're watching movies. We have pictures over here, and I love this saying right here, home is wherever I'm with you. Super cute. And then just more pictures and decorations. This is a little lamp as well. Let's see if I can show you guys. I think the design is super cute. It's like glass. And yeah, I just love this. So we do have two of that on each side, which is super cute. And then we also have this here. I love adding this onto our place. It just feels, I don't know. I just like it. I just feel like it's just needed. Moving over here, we have this little, what do you call this?
Palette?
This palette?
I don't know.
Wooden palette. We have Polaroid pictures on here. And then we have 3 photos up here, just photos of our family and us. And yeah, it's just a nice decoration. And then down here, we do have a pad for our dog. So we just put it here. He doesn't go outside to do his business. He usually just does it here. He's an indoor dog. So this is his spot right here. This is also where he eats. This is the living room, you guys. I love the light up there. It's just bright and nice. All right, moving on to the den. Welcome to the den. So this is pretty much our workspace. On this side, we have my girlfriend's station. This is her workstation. This is where she does her work every day. Well, when she does do her work, this is where she sits. We do have a printer, which is so necessary. I love having a printer at home. And then this little area is my desktop. I guess it's mine because she has her home over there. This is where I usually edit my videos all day. And yeah, I just love it. I've been learning some Korean as well. So I just have a bunch of stuff laid out on this table, and yeah, I usually just sit here and do like a lot of writing stuff on here. And we have this shelf here, which you guys should know from IKEA. A lot of influencers, bloggers, they have this little shelf here, and it's just a nice decoration on here. And this frame is going up in this wall whenever we have time. So for right now, it's just here for now, but this will definitely be going up on this wall. This is just going to be filled with pictures. And then we have this big old sliding door that leads to the other side of our place. And then we have my workstation. And this is where I film every day. This is the shelf that I use and that I sit in front of. And then this is where I have all my makeup. And I do have a lot of makeup on this side as well. I've really condensed my makeup ever since we moved to Ohio. But yeah, this is my workstation. This is where I film. This is my camera, my ring light. This is my cute little chair. I love this chair. It's so comfy. This door leads to our bedroom. Welcome to our bedroom. It's also really simple. We've also made this a universal color. So we have gray and white. And we have this is the side that I sleep on, and my girlfriend sleeps on that side. So it says N and R. These are gifts from my sister and her husband. So thank you guys for that. And then we have this canvas here of the San Francisco Golden Gate Bridge. We love this pink or this canvas. Oh, I can't forget, this is also his bed, huh? This is also Pooh's bed. He sleeps with us. But we do have his playpen on this side here. His bed is in here, his toys. And his drinking bowl is in here. Huh? Yeah. This side right here is where I have all my necklaces. I love necklaces the most for accessories. So all my necklaces are on this piece, which I got from Amazon. And my girlfriend, her bubble wrapped guitar is here. This hamper of ours, I love this. It's divided into 3 sections. So we just throw like different clothes in each side. We also have a wee pad here for our Pooh as well, since he sleeps in here. He does use the bathroom here. We have this cute little shelf. It's just like a bookshelf to put all of our stuff on here. And we have this calendar full of our bills. We have to really keep track of our bills, so we just pretty much write them all on here. And this door leads to our bathroom, which I'm not going to show much because it's kind of dirty right now. But yeah, it's pink. We are pink inspired. If you come in some more, is our closet. So this is my girlfriend's side, my side. And then we have a dresser. It's kind of dirty in here, but yeah, this is just the gist of our closets. Right, so this concludes our apartment tour. This is our first time doing this kind of video, so it's kind of all over the place. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you guys enjoy seeing inside of our home. I mean, we worked really hard to make this feel homey and cozy to our liking. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for your constant love and support, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!